Hello, if you want to do the factory reset on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, you can for instance open the settings. Then in the settings you need to scroll down and find general management and then go there of course. Then choose reset, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you'll find factory data reset. You want to select this option. Of course, you will have the summary of everything that will be removed from the device, which is pretty much everything that is stored in the internal storage. So make sure to make a backup before you proceed, but once you are ready, you can press this reset button. You might need to enter the screen lock password in order to proceed. And then once again, confirm that you want to delete everything. Now, if you don't want to use, or if you can't use settings, in order to perform the factory reset. Instead, you can also open the recovery mode and perform the hard reset via the recovery mode. And in order to do that, you will need to use the USB cable. You want to connect your Samsung Galaxy A16 with your computer. Once you plug it in, once you connect these two devices together, your Samsung to your computer, you want to turn off your device, so we can press the power button in order to open the power menu. Choose power off, and let's wait for the device to turn off. Now we're gonna wait for the charging information to show up. So at first you will see a small icon in the middle of the screen. It should appear in a few seconds. There we go. And now let's wait for the battery percentage to appear as well. And so once we see it, we will need to press and hold the side button and volume up button. So this is what we were waiting for. Once you see the information about charging, we can press and hold the side button or power button and volume up button at the same time. So press and hold both of these buttons, but once you see the Samsung logo, you want to release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button, so like so. And soon we should see the recovery mode. Once we see the recovery mode, we can release the volume up button. There we go. And now, in order to navigate in recovery mode, we need to press volume down or volume up. And as you can see over here, we have the option to wipe data or perform the factory reset. Confirm your choice by pressing the power button and then scroll down and choose factory data reset in order to confirm and proceed. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.